Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Among chores today, I'm just playing around with my 1956 FE35 Ferguson. I've been playing around with a bit of fine wet and dry sandpaper. And I mean, this surface rust is quite thick in areas, like a lot of it's not going to pop back. It's probably worthwhile continuing because like it's still obviously original paint, but there are some areas that will struggle to come back to grey. I was thinking of just carrying on and wet and drying the bonnet and the grille, and obviously the guards. I'll see how much I can get done today. But yeah, I've just been playing around. It is time consuming because the surface rust is quite bad on it, but it seems to be rejuvenating a lot of it back to grey. So what I can do is, once it's all done and dry, I'll just give it a coat of wax just to try and protect it, because the only real way to fix this paint is by sandblasting or acid dipping the panels and then repainting them. But I'm not going to do that, but I thought if I can get a little bit more life out of them, get it back to its traditional grey and gold, that would be great. So I'll need a few more cans of degreaser to carry on, especially around the engine. I'll take the dizzy cap off, put a plastic bag over the coil and the distributor before I degrease. But yeah, I'll probably need another 2 or 3 cans of degreaser to get to it properly. But yeah, it's just a little bit of fun playing around with it. Well, there is original grey under all that surface rust. The dash panel's probably not going to respond very well. I started there, but up here is quite, it's quite pitted. The paint's gone, so I'll do the best I can with it. You can tell all the faded paint, yeah, but it's certainly a lot better.